This is absolutely crazy. We've finally crossed 6K subscribers on our YouTube channel in just 3 months. Can you believe that? To be honest, I can't. Thank you so much for your love and support. We will continue to grow. Now, what are my plans for the future? I will continue to make Discord Nitro related videos as I am getting more views on that topic as opposed on my regular bot tutorial videos. But that doesn't mean I won't make tutorial videos on bot, I will, but just less compared to before. So those who want to continue following me, they can. But in the end of the day, every YouTuber would make videos that get more views and make them more profit. I will also make some videos for members only since I haven't made any money off of it. If you enjoyed watching my videos and love the channel, you can thank me by buying my membership. Enough yapping, it's about time you've all been waiting for. The Nitro giveaway. I got the key of Discord Nitro and I will be sharing the link in my Discord server in mail channel. Make sure to join my server, verify yourself and claim the Nitro. It's all too easy. But please make sure your account has never had Nitro before and you have payment methods like credit, debit card or PayPal to claim your free Nitro. To people who were ranting in the comments that my Nitro giveaways are fake. First, read the articles, it's available both on SteelSeries page and Discord page. Plus, people in my server had already claimed the Nitro. Anyway, I will post the Nitro link in my announcement channel this time when the video goes up. Thanks again for all the love and support. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and make sure to join my server.